All right, here we go. Happy holidays, everybody. Guess what I just got today? I'll let you guess, but I'm gonna tell you. We are gonna have a live unboxing of something I've been waiting for quite some time. You ready? I'll show you what this is. See if you get as excited as I did. Anticipation, right? This is a shipping box. Literally just came in today. Oh, look at that. Wolf Gourmet 7-quart stand mixer just released. Let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Feels like Christmas time. So first off, as we look at the box, we can see that we have our stand mixer, okay? Beautifully packaged, I love it. I love what it says on the top, predict deliciously, right? Because when you cook, you wanna make sure that you kinda know what's gonna happen, but sometimes you have to guess. So I'm just gonna open this up. We're gonna see what's inside. Like I say, I just got it in today. All right, here we go. So there is a stand mixer quick start guide. In this box, it includes a mixing bowl. It includes a whisk, a paddle attachment, and a dough hook. It also has a mixing shield, a book here that is your quick start book, use and care on how to use the product, okay? This will show you what each one of your hooks do, all right? And this is all beautifully laid out in here. It'll tell you how to put your attachments on, okay? So let's get this open. This is the other book. You also get a little card here because, as you know, with every Wolf Gourmet product, you get to pick what color knobs you want. We love our red knobs. It comes with one red and one black knob. Okay. Your paddle attachment. Let's take this out of the bag. Let's see. Your dough hook. On there. Okay. Looking here. Then we're going to do this the easy way. I'm going to take this and I'm going to place it down. That cake on the side of the box looks so good. I'm going to flip it over. And I'm just going to lift it up. Super simple. Easy to do. Leave that open so we can get our plastic back in there. Pop this off. This is the bottom. I'm just going to put that back in. Okay. Pop this open this way. And on the side, we have our shield for when we're adding items into our mixer. This will go over the top of the mixer so it doesn't fly all over the place. Okay. Cord is wrapped. We're going to take this and just flip it back over. Okay. Ooh, I see that red knob about to show itself. Very nice. Just pulls right off. Drop this in the box here. Take off the plastic. Put that in here. Okay. Next thing we're going to look at is, I love this. This is a very unique feature of this stand mixer. A few things that you have here. You have a cover that goes on top, and that cover is for your attachments. So this pulls off and all of your attachments go here, okay? And then what you'll see on the side is you'll see your knob, and that goes all the way up to 10, all right? Now to take this off, saw how simple that was? Just twist it, pull up a little. The bowl, you're gonna love this, is phenomenal. Here's what happens. Now look at that wire whisk. That's a great whisk. Multiple levels on here, so it's gonna be able to whisk through a lot of things. It's gonna allow you to get a lot of air. We call this a balloon whisk, where it's wide around so that you can get a lot of air into it. This bowl, 7-quart mixing bowl. So it looks interesting, right? It's like, well, how do you get this on here? Very, very simple. You take your bowl, you put it in, you line it up with your notches, and you just lock it in. That's all you have to do. Nothing else. And it's not difficult to do. You and when you want to take it off, it goes down, and you'll see it go up and down, okay? And that locks into place. It can't move. When you want to take it off, you just do that, and it comes right off, and that is your mixing bowl, all right? So those are the items that come in your Wolf Gourmet stand mixer, okay? And with this Wolf Gourmet stand mixer, it has several attachments like we talked about. We talked about our dough hook. We talked about our paddle. We talked about our whisk. And we talked about our mixing shield, all right? Your 7-quart bowl. And if you want to change this knob out, you also have a black knob that comes with the product, all right? Great mixer. We're gonna get into some actual how to use it, how to care for it in another video, but I just wanted to do this quick unboxing video so you can see everything that comes in the package. Alrighty, talk to you later.